Hey, welcome back. I'm Jason Hardy with Elite Barbecue Smokers. And today, I'm gonna show you how to cook the tomahawk pork chop on Weber Grill. So let's get to prepping so we can get to cooking, so come on. So to start with here, what we got? We got 2 pork chops. These are bone-in tomahawk pork chops. And basically what it means is it's got a long bone, they're pork chops. But it's got good presentation. This is what you see a lot of time at restaurants and stuff. So anytime you're doing a pork chop, one of the things you want to look for is this sinew on the back of it. It's thick like it is, and it's gonna be really tough if you're not careful. Both of these have it here. But what we're gonna do, we're not gonna take it off. What I'm gonna do is take my knife and I'm gonna score into it just a little bit. About a good 1/2 inch scores into it. What I'm gonna do is kind of get it so the seasoning can get down into it and break it up a little bit. So the seasoning I'm gonna use today is some Lambert sweet rubbing mine. It's a good rub, it's got good salt to it and also some sugar to it. Really complements pork very well. So we're gonna season it up some. So I'm grilling this today on a Weber kettle grill here. We got about 400 degrees. I'm using grill range. So you still got a hot side and a cold side. That way I can start it on one side and get the char marks on the 2, and then I can pull it to the other side and just kind of get the continue to cook a little bit lower and slower. Anyhow, let's get these bad boys on the grill. Let's get this party started. All right, right at 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes. Take it right here. I'm gonna cut it cross leg like that. Another 2 minutes. All right. Now I'm pulling over to the cool side, and then I'm coming up to temperature. What I want to do is cook it till I get internal doneness I'm looking for, which will be about 140, 142 degrees. That when I get that, I won't pull it off, but it's going to carry temperature around 145 to 147 degrees. That's what we're looking for today. We're 141 degrees. For these boys here off. All right, so we take them off the grill, let them rest about 10 minutes. We slice these bad boys up and see what it tastes like. You ready? I know I'm ready, so come on. All right, so we slice it up, sliced perfectly. We're gonna taste it. But before I do that, take a little bit of this here apple butter, because it goes good with pork. I'm gonna come across the top of it just a little bit. Glaze it on. Just want just a little bit on there. If you don't want to do this, you don't have to. I just want something to give me a little bit of extra flavor to it. Now, we'll taste it. See what it tastes like. Let's taste it. You ready? I know I'm ready. That, boys and girls, is insanely good. Do this every time. You'll have a better tomahawk pork chop at home than you'll ever get in a restaurant. I promise you that. But all that being stated, thank y'all for watching. We greatly appreciate it. Now let's say the blessing. Let's go eat. Lord, bless the food by receiving. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Come on. Dolly liked it. Dolly like it. I know you will too. Appreciate y'all watching. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.